Good morning, everybody. I am just being a little scooch quiet because Alex is still asleep. It's his first official day of being on holidays, so he's still in bed. So I'm gonna try and keep a little quiet for the morning, but I do need coffee. So today we need to reset the house because now all the furniture's been moved around so we can put the table out. So we need to reset the house, and then we're going to go and take Kobe over to a friend's house and have a swim in their pool. And then I'm gonna help my cousin move. So, another big day ahead. First step, as always, coffee. Also, I'm rocking my Jurassic Park t-shirt as my morning shirt, which I love. Alright, let's make coffee. There are signs of life from the bedroom. I'm just gonna go check. Alright. Alex is awake. 2 coffees. Coffee is now mostly finished, and I'm going to try and get some editing and uploading done because I ran out of time yesterday to get it finalized. And then a little bit more of that. We might need to reset the house after we come back tonight. Might run out of time before we go for a swim. So this is life at the moment. Video finally uploaded, huzzah! So now it's just time to get ready and then go for pool fun times with people, yay hangs! Alright, getting ready time, let's go. Bless you. We just had a wonderful time swimming. Kobe is now all tucked out, look at him, in the back there. I just completely forgot to film swimming, but Kobe tried to jump in. We've seen him swim before, but apparently he's not a very good swimmer because he jumped in and almost started to drown. So, good learning for next time. Slow entry into things, not just jump into a pool. But it was still like a really nice time. How was your time, husband?
It was a good time. I had lots of fun.
Me too. They're such good people. You've probably seen them on vlogs that I've done here before, Ellie and Alex. Good crew. Alright, next thing, we're going to pick up keys for my cousin, and then I'm gonna go and help him move some stuff.
And Cyberpunk.
And Alex is going to pick up Cyberpunk. Game. Success. We have keys. On the way home, Alex has decided to call in and get the video game that he's wanted. And this is how Kobe responds when one of us leave the car. Are you okay, buddy? Are you okay? Oh, hello. I know, look. It's all okay, look. So I'm going to comfort him while Alex is in the shop. Hey, Kobe. Okay, I just finished helping my cousin move, which is why I have this giant bottle of Gatorade. Blue. It was hot and sweaty. He's moving into town from interstate, which is awesome. So I just helped him move, which was lovely and invigorating and weirdly a bunch of fun. And now I realize I have to go home and rearrange our own furniture. So it's a big day of like moving stuff. But that's fine. I'm going to finish gulping down all of this and then get back on the road. I just got home and my house is reset by this wonderful person. It was a very lovely surprise because now I don't have to move any more furniture today. So I am super excited. And also I got, shouldn't put any of those. I got a present today, but I'm gonna black out the addresses on them for safety and stuff. But I got a present, so I'm gonna open that soon. Oh, but it's from here. I love dinosaurs. If you can't tell from my tattoo and my Jurassic Park shirt I was wearing, I think this morning. Oh, I'm excited. Let's open it. Aisha did also say, this is from my sister. She did say, if you don't want it, I'll have it. So, very cool. Age of Australian dinosaurs. Wahahaha. Look it! I mean, that's so cute. She also got me some pins. She did good. This one says AH, the element of surprise. Confusion. That's great. And a tea towel. No, and a bag? Look it. It's nerdy like me. Cool.
Kobe likes them too.
Do you like them too? They're about dinosaurs, mate. I like that this just says, hooray, sandstone. You know what? I think that is a pretty excellent spot to end the vlog. For the day. So I will see you all tomorrow. Merry Vlogmas. Peace.